All right, so I'm gonna need you to kind of lead the show with that. All right, I see we have the Lions and Celts kilts on. Mr. C, can you go around and check the do now for me? All right. Do I have anyone else on? Do want to make sure we have everybody on. Ms. Perez, if you can put in the chat if you can hear me loud and clear, or if I need to speak a little bit louder. Knights are in. And the Eagles. All right. All right. Check back. Check back. So I'm going to make an announcement. Today, I will be teaching the entire third grade math team. That means all students are going to be streamed in live. That means they're watching us from YouTube. Right. All of Kip Klein, third grade. So that means that I'm going to have this class remain as quiet as possible so that they can hear. Capiche? All right. If Mr. C has already checked your do now, stand behind your chair quietly. This table, Emma's table, go ahead and grab a dry erase board marker and come to the carpet. So all third grade classes, we are now transitioning to the carpet. We need dry erase boards and a marker. Dry erase boards and a marker. And teachers, you can project this on your Promethean board if you're not already. All right, I see that Caleb's table is ready. Go ahead. All right, Luna's table, go ahead and grab your dry erase board and come to the carpet. I love how Michael is grabbing a dry erase marker and eraser and having a seat on the carpet. Thank you, Antonio.
The table is finished, so they can go get a whiteboard. Antonio, we're not drawing, okay? We're drawing. We're drawing.
Bum ba dum bum. Bum ba dum bum. All right, climbers, make sure that. Oh, I love it how Joseph has his dry erase marker off of his top off his marker. That shows me that he's ready. All right, so I'm gonna have all climbers silently read the application problem to yourself. I'm gonna give you a moment. As you read it, who can raise their hand and tell me what is it that you should be doing? What is it that you should be doing? Yes, Christina.
You should be doing, you should highlight some important.
How would you highlight it? She's right, Emma.
You can write down and put information.
She said, Emma's right. You're gonna write it down. Who can tell me why is it important to write it down? Why are we writing it down? Why can't we circle it? Why can't we highlight it? I should see more hands telling me why. Why is it important? Why is it important? You can put it in the chat if somebody else from another class wants to share. Why is it important to write it down? Yes, Jerry, loud and proud. Why is it important? Why? Why is it important?
If we use a subtraction or plus or what the proportion was.
Very good. So Jerry told me I'm going to write it down so that I know what operation to solve for. But what about, how does this relate to the test we're going to be taking as a third grader? How does this relate to the test that we're going to be taking? Why do we write it down? Why can't we circle it?
Because we can't circle it because it's on the computer.
Oh, everybody say, you go, boy.
You go, boy.
That's right. Jerry's right. Thank you, Jerry. Because when you take this test, you won't have a piece of paper, right? All right, go to work. I'll be reading it aloud as you are writing down important information. Mabel cuts 9 pieces of ribbon for an art project. Each piece of ribbon is 7 centimeters long. What is the total length of the pieces of ribbon that Mabel cuts? Go to work. Everybody should be solving on their whiteboard. That's right. Renee said we know, so we know what we're doing. Absolutely. Renee was right on target. Go, Renee. Good job.
And we're gonna annotate. We're gonna read the passage.
If you've already solved, who can tell me what are they missing? You've solved, but what are you missing? Yes, Camila.
They're missing the total.
Okay, but what are we missing? After we solve, we have the total. What do we need? What's last? What lets us know that we have the answer? Caleb. That's right. Make sure there's a statement, teachers. Every whiteboard should have a statement. All right, I know important information is that Mabel cuts how many pieces of ribbon?
9.
That's right. So 9 is important. I'm going to circle that. Not just because it's a number, but because it relates to this problem, and sometimes they add numbers that have no value. We don't need. Okay, each piece of ribbon is 7 centimeters. Each is important to me, and the ribbon is 7 centimeters long. Am I done? Am I done? Okay, in the chat, somebody tell me, what else can I add? Oh, I like that, Rosa. Rosa's right. You need a statement. Anybody else? What else can I add? What else can I do to this problem? What else should I have down? What's going to help me with my statement? Yes, Maria. Yeah, but where do I get my statement from? Send her some shine. Send Maria some shine. Where am I going to get it from? Anybody in the chat knows, where am I going to get my statement from? How do I find the statement? It's derived from something. It's from something. Turn and tell your neighbor, how am I going to find the statement? I want complete sentences.
When we find the statement from the question.
Check back. Check back. Ooh, I heard my friend Christina say something. Christina, loud and proud. Tell us, where can I get the statement? Hold on 1 second. Yes.
You can get the statement by in the question.
That's right. Everybody say, you go, girl. That's right. What is the total length of the pieces of ribbon? I love how Jerry has solved. You want to add something, Camila? Go ahead.
The total is at 63.
All right. Who agrees? Who agrees? Who agrees? You agree, Zion? All right, Zion, stand up. Show us your board. All right, I'm going to show it to all of 3rd grade. All right, Zion, come up. Show us how you solve. Turn around, speak loud and proud. We believe in you. Everybody say, we believe in you, Zion. All right, go ahead, bud. Tell us what you have, because you have some very good words on that board, too.
I circled 7 because it's telling us the length.
Ooh, I like that. I like that. Okay, what else?
I circled 9 because it's telling us how many there is.
I love that. It's telling us how many there is. What else? You put some words on there. What words did you add? Each. Why was each important, Zion?
How many there were.
Okay, how many there were? What else? Length. Okay. What was important about that?
It helps us figure out the total.
Okay. Jerry, go to legacy. You'll come right back. All right, very good. Everybody say, way to go, Zion.
Way to go, Zion.
All right, so I'm going to solve it the way Zion solved it. He made a strip diagram. Okay. He made 9 pieces. And he put 7 in each one. Now, I want to highlight my friend Antonio, okay? Because when Antonio, you erased it. Oh, listen, friends, however you solve is your business. You solved it right the first time. You didn't have to draw a picture. And guess what? That's okay. All right. So, Antonio, tell me what number sentence did you write?
I put set 9 times 7 equals.
Oh, I love that. Everybody say, way to go, Antonio.
Way to go, Antonio.
What do you want your to be?
27.
No, wait. What do you want? Let's make a variable. What letter?
Oh.
An A for Antonio? No. Or L for long? L. All right. Remember, that letter is still your The L is still your Can it be a C? Yeah. Can it be an M? Yeah. It's still the unknown, right? So we know that 9 times 7 is what?
L.
What's the answer?
63.
All right, give yourself a woo.
Woohoo.
We're right. Okay, who can put this in the inverse operation? Do it on your board right away. Inverse operation. I see that Joseph already did it. Awesome. Joseph, what is the inverse operation for multiplication? Just tell me what is the operation, not the problem. What is it? Division. Everybody say, way to go, Joseph. All right, give me my problem.
63.
Those numbers, right? And flip it. Because we already know that when we count by sevens 9 times, we get 63. All right. Keep your answer, Antonio. It was right. Okay. All right. Erase. Next slide, Mr. C.
The students in the other classes, they're saying good, but they need to see
The board. Oh, got it. Okay.
examples.
Let's see how I can. Maybe if I do it this way. I'm struggling with how to. I'm gonna move this out the way. Take this.
If you put it right here.
Is it gonna be far enough? Is it gonna be too far? If I had like a little table, that would be great. Let's see if this is better. A table. Oh, that's perfect. That might work. Want to put it like right here? All right. Sorry, y'all.
And then, some of the students that are behind you, they probably like.
Scoot over. That's perfect. Yeah. Thank you. I don't know if that's better, but I don't think it's better. I don't feel like it's better, but all right. However, if you notice on the next slide, if you go back. Yeah, right there. All right. So that's what how my friend Zion solved, right? And my friend Antonio. But wait a minute. What did they do that we forgot to do? And I just talked about it. What did they do? It is okay. Gavin, what did they do? What do you notice they did that we forgot to do? We did that, but what did we miss? What's here? What do we call this, everybody? The statement. Mabel cuts 63 centimeters of ribbon. We can't forget that piece. That's very, very important. All right, next slide. All right. Take a moment. Write it down. We have 27 divided by equals 3. All right. Looking good. Teachers, if you can, check whiteboards for accuracy. Flash your boards. So this is the same as saying 27 divided by equals 3. When we see the letter, it's the same as saying blank, right? Don't let it trick you. What are we solving for? Turn and tell your neighbor. What are we solving for?
We're solving for
All right, Zion. What are we solving for?
B.
We are solving for B. We're going to write B. We're going to write B equals. All right. 27 divided by equals 3. Show me your board. Good. Okay, put the answer for me. Looks good. All right, what are we counting by?
3.
And we're gonna stop at what number?
27.
Ooh, I love it. Y'all are so smart. Let's go.
9.
What are we counting by?
3.
Let's go.
3, 6, 9, 12, 13, 18, 21, 22,
24, 27. How many fingers am I holding up? 9. B equals what, everyone? B equals what, everyone? That's right. Who can tell me on your board? Who can show me on your board? What's the multiplication sentence that matches this? Ooh, looking good, Joseph. Who else? Who else? Who else? What you got? Okay, show me the multiplication sentence. Good. Good. Awesome. Good. All right, what's the multiplication sentence, everybody?
27. 9 times 3 equals 27.
That's right. 9 times 3 equals 27, or
3 times 9 equals 27.
good job. All right. Erase, erase, erase.
What's my rate?
This is practice from what we've been doing. All right, we're solving for another variable. We're solving for another variable. They want us to use a letter to represent the unknown. We already know that. We just did it. All right, go to work. Divided by 6 equals 3. Oh, I love it. I love it. Juan said he used the diagram to find the total. Looking good. All right. All right. All right. Looking good. Let's see. I need to see these boards. Almost. Almost. All right. Who can tell me? What am I going to count? What am I going to count to figure this out? How am I going to figure this out? Emma.
You're going to count by 3 to figure it out, or you're going to stop when you have 6 fingers.
Ooh, everybody say, way to go, Emma.
Way to go, Emma.
All right, let's go.
6.
What are we counting by?
3.
Oh, you could do 6s, but we'll do 3s. Let's go.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. What's the answer?
18.
That's right, 18. All right. So what are we solving for? Tell your neighbor, what are we solving for?
For the unknown.
Hey, I heard some unknown. I heard some D. We're solving for D. What are we solving for?
D.
What does D equal, everybody?
18.
Good job. D equals 18. All right. I want someone in the chat. Someone in the chat is going to give me the, go back. I need someone in the chat is going to give me the multiplication sentence to match this. Someone in the chat, give me the multiplication sentence to match. You do it on your board. Good. Awesome. Looking good. Angel got it. All right, good. All right, looking good. All right, Jonathan. All right. So what's the multiplication sentence to match it?
6 times 8 equals 18.
Everybody give yourself a yeehaw.
Yeehaw.
Oh, you can do better than that. A yeehaw.
Yeehaw.
All right, thank you, Michael. All right, clear your board, clear your board. Next slide. All right. Next slide. Here we go. More practice, more practice, more practice. 7 times 6, let's go. 7 times 6, let's go. Oops, sorry, y'all. Move the slide. You gotta do slide there. If you don't do slide, it's not gonna work. Keep it on slide. Slide show. All right. 7 times 6, 7 times 6, 7 times 6. 7 times 6. I see friends thinking. I see people skip counting. I see people drawing. Good. Different ways to solve it. Long as you get the answer correct. Good. Put it in the chat. Put it in the chat. Good. All right, everybody. What is 7 times 6?
42.
Good job. All right. So if I know that 7 times 6 equals 42, let's solve for E. Go to work. Solve for E. Go to work. Solve for E. Everybody should be solving for E. Those are the packets for tomorrow. That's just fun. Yep.
Is it for all?
It's all classes. Yep. Yeah, you can divide them out.
52.
Thank you. I need a statement. I need someone to give me a statement. Y'all can't see it. It's on the slide deck. I'm sharing my screen. Can you see it? It's on the board. I have 7 times E equals 56, everybody. It's the same deck. Sorry that the slides went away. Hold on. My bad. Sorry, y'all. Let me stop sharing and then share again. One second. All right, I need to see E equals. I need to see E equals. All right, hope that's better. Hope you can see the slides. Let me know in the chat if you can see the slides. All right, let's go. E equals what, everybody? 8. That's right, E equals 8. How did you figure that out? How did you figure that out, Maria? You skip counted by what?
7.
That's right. You can skip count by 7s to get to 8. And you stopped at what?
56.
That's right. She stopped at 56. All right. Erase your board. Erase your board. Erase your board.
We didn't do the inverse operation.
Oh, okay. Zion wants to do inverse operation. Go ahead, Zion. What's the inverse operation?
56 divided by 8 equals 7.
56 divided by 8 equals 7. Everybody say, you go, boy.
You go, boy.
That was great. All right. Erase, erase, erase. F divided by 9. F divided by 9. F is our what?
That's divided by 7.
What is F? F is our.
Is our
Let's see. Anybody in the chat knows what F is? Anybody knows what F is?
F is our
F is the thing that we don't know.
It's what we don't know. It's what we don't know. It's not our total. It's what we don't know. And what do we call that? The unknown, right? It's the it's what we don't know. F is the is what we don't know. All right. I need somebody to solve for what is F. I see minds thinking. Antonio, come closer to the team. Thank you, friend. Juan says F equals, ooh, all right, Juan, way to go, Juan. Good. All right, looking good, Maria. All right, So F equals what, everybody?
63.
That's right. Oh, good job. It's whoever said that. F is what we don't know. Good. It's the divided by 7 equals 9. It's the same thing, right? So our answer is 63. All right. Clear your board, clear your board.
We need the inverse operation.
Hmm?
We need the inverse operation.
Oh, don't worry. I know you know it. I promise. All right. A little bit more practice with solving the unknown. A little bit more practice with solving the unknown. Go ahead and find the value of B. The value of B. The value of B. The value of B. It's like I'm a cheerleader.
It's right there.
Oh, don't tell them. Because you're right. Because guess what? They're using something to solve. Good catch. Good catch. What are they using to solve? Tell your partner. What are they using to solve it?
Is the division.
You got to be able to see, Michael. Come on the carpet so they can see the board.
What they're using is division.
Right there by Gavin. Right behind Gavin. All right. Analea, you have the correct answer. Okay. Tell us what B equals. B equals 2. So, Analea, tell us, how did you know that quick? Okay, yes, you could have counted. Yes, you would have known. But what here helped you solve what B equals?
6 times 2 helps me equal what B is because for the division for the sum 2. So B equals 2.
That's right. Everybody, let's give her 2 snaps and a clap. Oh, 2 claps and a snap. Let's do it again. 2 claps and a snap. All right. She's right. Now, what is this called? Gavin, what is this called? What is this relationship called, Gavin? What is that relationship called? Everybody send some shine to Gavin. What is that relationship? Loud and proud, Gavin.
Inverse operation.
That's right. That's inverse operation. Oh, I see, Messiah, you skip counting and the inverse. That's right. All right. Clear your board. 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 All right. Next slide. Markers. Tops on your marker. So we've been working a lot this week on distributive property. Okay. So today, you're going to repeat after me because we can ready to do the objective. All right. I need all eyes on me. Tops on marker. Markers are down. Dry erasers are down. I can. Oh, we can do better than that because there's more than 3 people in here. I can. Use the distributive property. As a strategy. To multiply. And divide. Using units. Of 6 and 7. All right. Try and tell your neighbor again what the objective is. All right. Antonio, do me a favor. I want you to be successful, so come sit over there for me. Michael, I want you to be successful, so I want you to sit on the side of Brian. And then Sebastian, I want you to turn around and face the board. All right. So you're going to have to unloose this one. So when we apply the distributive property to multiply, we're going to now use units of 6 and 7. So distributive property helps us break down numbers so that we can solve them easier. All right. So we use 9 times 7 to solve the application problem. 9 times 7 in unit form. All right. Can you slide it down? How about if I didn't know how to count by 9s or 7s? Take a look at how this is solved. Take a moment and look how this is solved. Turn and tell your neighbor, what do you think about this strategy? How they solved 9 times 7 if I didn't know how to count by 9s or 7s.
They solve by 9 times 7 is because they use the distributive property.
Like it says in the book, use 9 times 7. So they wrote 9 boxes and they put 7 in each boxes. And when you compare them to like 5 times 7, you have 5 boxes and 7.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants.
He does. All right. Why do you think they divided it and said 5 times 7? Who can tell me? Why do you think they use that? You can put it in the chat as well. Tell me, why do you think they use that? Camila, loud and proud. Why do you think they use that?
They used it because they didn't know what 9 times 7 was, so they used the distributive property to break it up.
All right. Who knows 5 times 7? Raise your hand if you know 5 times 7. I'll say it like this. Raise your hand if you know how to count by 5s. Okay, very good. Kaylee, tell me, when did you learn how to count by 5s? Yeah, and what grade do you think you were in when you learned how to count by 5s? Okay, second. Anybody else earlier? Gavin, when did you learn? Okay, Maria, when?
In 2nd grade or
Oh, Maria says second or first grade. Okay, Sebastian, when did you learn? All right. You know when I taught my kids? Kindergarten.
That's what I learned.
That's
I
right.
was in pre-K
So
4.
that is why they broke up 9 times 7 and they used distributive property in order to solve. So they broke up. They still had the same strip diagram. Remember my friend Zion used that in the application problem? And they said, you know what? I know that 5 times 7 is what, everybody?
5 times 7
Let's count by 5s. Let's go.
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35.
That's right. It's 35. Oh, easy peasy.
Lemon squeezy.
All right. Now they said all I'm left with is 4 7s. How many 7s?
4 7.
So 4 7s is 4 times 7. Okay. Put up 4 fingers. Or let's do 4s because 4s are much easier, right? Let's do 4s. You ready? Let's count. Everybody 7 fingers up. I'm looking for 7 fingers. I'm looking for Emma 7 fingers. Ooh, I'm looking for Sebastian 7 fingers. Give Mr. C your marker. I know it's a little bit difficult to keep it in your hand. All right, and let's go. 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 40.
40.
42.
24.
24. Let's count 4 more. 25, 26, 27, 28. So 4 times 7 is 28. Now, what did they do next? Someone in the chat, what did they do next? I love it. Some people learned this in kinder. What did they do? Camila, what did they do next?
Next, after solving us the problem,
They did what?
they added them together.
Oh, and what did they get, Camila?
They got 62.
Is that the same answer that we got when we multiplied 9 times 7?
Yeah.
Yeah. Turn into your neighbor. How did this strategy help you if you didn't know how to count by 9s or 7s? Go. You can hit the slide.
Was when you counted by 4 by 7.
Not yet.
You got the same answer by counting by 4s because when you did a count
All right.
7 4s.
Everybody tracking. Mr. C? Tracking Ms. Long? Mr. C? Antonio, tell us, how did that strategy help you? That strategy helped me.
That strategy helped me by skip counting by 6.
Did we skip count by 6?
Yeah.
What did we use?
5.
That's right. When did we learn 5s? Last year. Some people said first grade. Some people said kindergarten. All right. Next slide. All right. So we are going to also practice using. Oh, sorry. Go ahead. We're going to practice using addition and multiplication in order to solve for distributive property. I need the first row to stand up. But first, we got to make it to our tables. We need a little wiggle break. All right, can you put some music on? All right, first table is going to take their dry erase boards, put them away. Make sure you bring your marker back. Make sure you bring your eraser. I'll do the next row that's ready. No, that's good. All right, next row, stand up. All right. All right, next row, stand up. All right, I love how my friends are standing behind their chair waiting.
18, 20, 22, 24. Do you want to hear some more? Team, goodness go. Let me see your fingers roll the 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Those 3s ain't got nothing on me. Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 4s. We're more Hall. Are you ready for more? Now this is how we roll our 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. This is how we roll our 4s. Let's give them some more. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. This is how we roll our 4s. La, 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 la. Boo! Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 5s.
Ready?
5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40,
45, 50, 55, 60.
Take a deep breath. Team, good as gold.
Let me see your fingers roll the 6s.
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 and 72, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 and 72. More we're in the house tonight. We just came to see you have a good time. We came to make you lose your mind. We just came to see you roll your 6s.
All right, have a seat. Have a seat. Take a load off your feet. Have a seat. Have a seat.
21.
Take a load. You can pause it. Go back to the slide deck for me. Thank you, Mr. C. Review. Right there. All right. Yes, slideshow. All right, everybody. So, team, if you are I am going to send someone with their packets. If you are on this side of the grade level with the Jaguars, I'm going to send someone with your packets. I'm going to send someone with your. All right. Jaguars. Everyone's going to pass out the Jaguars. We are on problem set. We are on problem set. All right. Bella, Camila, sorry. Sister name. You're going to take these to the Raiders. Joseph, you're going to take these to the Knights. All right. As you get them, make sure your name and date is on there. Other classes, please make sure we can get our problem sets. Make sure you can get your problem sets. I'm going to show you what it looks like. Looks just like this. If you can see. Okay, yeah, we'll hold it to see how long it takes.
If you don't have one, raise your hand.
We'll find out who doesn't have one. Oh, she needs one. Anybody else? Maria needs one. If you need more, please put it in the chat. We can try to get you more. Anybody else?
Who needs one?
Analea needs one. Christina, can you take these to? Is that good?
Who hasn't done one already?
Gavin, did you not write your name on yours? No. You did? Mm-hmm. Well, we have some without a name. Maybe this is Camila. She can write her name on hers. You didn't write your name? Maybe. Check that. Can you give this to, go by the Knights if they need extra? And then go by the Raiders and see if they need extra. Okay, we're gonna have everybody start the transition so we can make sure everybody has what they need. We can play a little bit more music while we get everybody transition. Go ahead and let us know when everybody is set with their problem sets. Make sure that everybody has their problem sets. Communicate to me in the chat, please.
28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. If you want, we'll give you more. Team, good as gold.
Skip time. Yeah, we can go back to 2. All right, and then rolling. We gotta do rolling numbers. We'll do this until we can wait till everybody has theirs. There you go. Perfect.
Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? 10, 12, 14, 16. We're on fire. We are the best team. 18, 20, 22, 24. Do you want to hear some more? Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 3s. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Those 3s ain't got nothing on me. Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the 4s. We're more Hall. Are you ready for more? Now this is how we roll our 4s.
Oh no, go back to skip time. I was just saying show. I was just saying to make sure they can see it.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24. This is how we roll our fours. Let's give them some more. 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, 48. This is how we roll our fours. La 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 la. Boom. Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the fives. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. Take a deep breath. Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the sixes. 6, 12, 18, 20, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66 and 72. More, we're in the house tonight. We just came to see you have a good time. We came to make you lose.
How we looking with problem
your mind.
sets?
We just came to see you roll your sixes. Team, good as
Good.
gold. Let me see your fingers roll the sevens. 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63, 70, 77, 84. If you want, we'll give you more. Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the eights. 8, 16, 24, 32, 40. 40 down here, 40 up there. 48, 56, 64, 72, 80. 80 down here, 80 up there. 88, 96. Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the nines. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81, 90, 99, 108. Whoop, there it is. I said, whoop, there it is. Team, good as gold. Let me see your fingers roll the tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, Let's get it done. 50, 60, 70, 80, Let's get it done. 90, 100, 100, 100. I don't think we're done yet. 110, 120.
Oh no, they can't find a problem set.
Tick, boom. Team, good as gold.
All right. Do me this favor, everybody. I am going to start the problem set. I'm going to walk them through here while Ms. Perez is making copies of the problem set. If you have, I'll make sure somebody has a blank one. Yes, can you do that? Grab a blank one. Hopefully somebody didn't write their name on it. I'm able to, is that it? Is that what's in here? Okay, perfect. All right, good. Yeah, just make it. Okay, send to the spreads. All right, Mr. C is gonna bring it. So while you all are making copies of the problem set, before we get started on the problem set, because we don't have a lot of time, I'm just gonna go through the concept development. So we'll go through the lesson, and hopefully by then we will have our copies. All right. Check back. I'm looking for all Jaguars sitting up straight in their chairs. They're tracking Miss Long. Feet on the floor. Thank you, Zion. Thank you, Kaylee. Thank you, Sheena. All right, everybody. All right, so you can also, we talked about breaking up numbers into easier numbers to solve. Also, you can solve using addition and number bonds. Raise your hand if you ever did number bonds in kindergarten or first grade or second grade. Yeah, we use number bonds. So you can also break apart and distribute strategy earlier in the year. So I want you all to think about 48 divided by 6. And I want you to plot and think about, how can I break this up to make it easier to solve? What are the numbers? We talked about we use 5. What are the numbers we can use to make it easier to solve? Turn and tell your neighbor, what numbers can we use to make it easier to solve? 48 divided by 6. I love how Caleb is already starting talking to his partner. All right, check back. All right, let's take a look. Let's see what is a way that we can quickly solve. Let's see if it's going to help us. All right, Kayla, what did you say? What's one way you can make it easier to solve?
6 times 48.
Oh, I like that. He decided to break it up into multiplication. Camila, you want to add anything? Ooh, why do you say that? 48 divided by 3. Why would that help?
Because if you don't know what 48 divided by 6 is, you could just use the distributive property and break it down.
Okay, let's see. Oops. All right, one way is 30 divided by 6. Why do you think? Turn and tell your neighbor, why do you think they decided 30 divided by 6? What does this remind you of? 30 divided by 6. Take a moment and think about it. Solve it for yourself. 30 divided by 6. Zion said it. Zion, what is 30 divided by 6? Does that remind us of how we use familiar numbers to solve? So why do you think they did 30 divided by 6, Antonio? Why do you think they did 30 divided by 6? I love how Caleb's giving some shine to Antonio. Zion, why do you think, we'll come back to you, Antonio. Zion, why did you say 5? And why do you think we use 30 divided by 6 to help solve this big number? Oh, he said to make it easier. Anybody want to build? Anybody want to build? Anybody want to build? I agree. And why do we think? Emma, what do you think about what Zion said? You agree or disagree? Do you think 30 divided by 6 is easier to solve than 48 divided by 6? Why? I agree it is easier. Why? It is. It's a less number. What else, Allison? What else? What is it? 36 divided by 6, everybody, is 5. What did we say we learned in kindergarten? That's right. Antonio, coming back to you. So why is 36 divided by 5 easier? And it's a more familiar number, right? All right, everybody give Antonio 2 claps and a snap. Again, 2 claps and a snap. All right. He's right. All right. 18 divided by 6. 18 divided by 6. Go. 18 divided by 6. All right, Camila, what's my answer? Ooh, was that easier than 48 divided by 6?
Yeah.
Why, Maria? Why? Yes. Why? Why was it easier? By what? You could by 6 or by what, Caleb? Or by 3s. Everybody give Caleb and Maria 2 claps and a snap. All right, that's right. Let's take a look at this. Whoa. Take a look at this problem. Take a look at this problem. Gavin, take a look at this problem. 48 divided by 6 is equal to 36 divided by 6 plus 18 divided by 6. What do you think I'm going to do next? Turn and tell your neighbor, what do you think I'm going to do next?
There's two ways to draw it. Can you draw this?
So Sheena just told me, and she's absolutely right. Sheena said, I'm going to solve. What do we think? Thumbs up, thumbs down. I'm going to solve. And Sheena told me I'm going to solve 30 divided by 6 is what, everybody?
30 divided by 6.
5.
Exactly.
Thank you, Caleb, and the rest of the Jaguars. What is 30 divided by 6?
5.
What is 30 divided by 6?
5.
Then Sheena said that I'm going to solve 18 divided by 6. Equals what?
3.
I need a brave soul right now. Sheena's right, by the way. Everybody say, way to go, Sheena.
Way to go, Sheena.
I need a brave soul to tell me, what's my number sentence based on what Sheena just told me? Oh, Joseph's ready. Camila's ready. I don't know if my friends in the chat are following. All right, good. Y'all got them. Good. Who else? Jerry. Jerry just joined us back from the clinic, and he's gonna tell us. Jerry's ready. Oh, Camila's very excited to tell us. All right, I gotta put her out. I gotta let my girl Camila tell me. Camila, what do you think my number sentence is going to be?
It's going to be 5 times 3.
Times? What do we think? Yes or no? Times? What do we think? What do we think? What do we think? She's close. What do we think? In the chat. In the chat, what do you think? Camila said, if I move this, and my number sentence is going to say 5 times 3. All right. Part of it is right. Part of it is right. Zion, do you agree or disagree with Camila? Respectfully, please be respectful. Oh, look at that look, Camila. Oh, that's a old look that she.
5 plus 3.
Okay, so you were half right, Camila. You got to look at Zion like that. You were half right. All right, so Camila, do you see where Zion got 5 plus 3? Look at the problem again. Look at how we distributed 48 divided by 6. Look at how we did it. Where did he get that plus sign from? Look at it, because I'm coming to you. Look at it. How do we get that? Turn around. Everybody should be facing this board. You should be looking at it. You should be thinking to yourself, Zion and Camila are right. All right, Jerry, bring us home. Where did they get the plus sign from, Jerry? Oh, can I tell you what these are called? These are called, if you don't know.
Parentheses.
Oh, excuse me. What are they?
Parentheses.
You're right. Anybody out there in the chat, what are they called? All right, parentheses. Okay. So Jerry says outside of this, parentheses is a plus sign. Do you agree or disagree with Jerry? Analea, do you agree or disagree with Jerry? Jerry said that's where they got the plus sign. What do you think? You agree. I agree too, Analea. Let's give Jerry, let's give Camila, Analea, and Zion 2 stomps and a clap. Do that again. was almost like a cheer. All right, let's see if they're right. Let's see if they're right. Drum roll, please. Drum roll, please. Were they right? I can't hear you. Were they right? Oh, sorry. Sorry out there in the virtual world. All right. Were they right? Yes, they were right. All right. Just stop, y'all. Just pause. You just saw 48 divided by 6. And you ain't do nothing with the 48, nothing with the 6. You broke it down into numbers you were more familiar with. Oh, wait, Joseph. Tracking Joseph. Go ahead, Joseph.
You're like my mom whenever I'm doing homework and I don't know, and then I remember what the strategy was. He's like, oh, there you go.
That's right. Oh, I love your mom. That's right. You gotta listen. You gotta boost everybody up when they get it right. Okay, on a count of 3, to all my smarty pantses out there in the world, the virtual world as well, you're gonna tell me on a count of 3 what is 5 plus 3. I said on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. All right, let's see if you're right. Let's see if you're right. All right, you are right. All right. Now I'm getting the hang of this. Okay. All right, so 56 divided by 8. Stop with your neighbor. Think about what number can we break this up to solve with your neighbor. Think about it. I need table talk. I need table talk. Remember, we've been using our what? 5s. We've been using our 5s. Yes, it. We've been using our 5s. Almost. All right, you ready? You ready for the reveal? All right, are you ready for the reveal?
Yes.
Drum roll, please. Oops, sorry. Just kidding. All right, what would be helpful? Tell me, Caleb, what would you use that would be helpful? Tell me. What else? How can you break this one up? I like that. 8 times 7 equals 56. You're right. What else? Anybody else? What's a 5 that we can use? What's a 5? In the chat, if I have any friend in the chat that can tell me a 5 we can use. Jerry? Remember, we're going to use a division problem.
56 divided by 6.
What's a 5 out of 50? That's close to 50. What's a 5?
10.
Okay. 10 times what?
10 times 8. No, 10 times 5.
10 times 5. Okay, but what would be the division sentence? You're right.
10 divided.
What's 10 times 5?
50.
So what's my division sentence, Emma, since you know? 50 divided by 10. Oh, what do we think? What do we think? All right, what else? We still got some more left. What else? We got 50 divided by 10. Yes. We need a smaller number. So we know that 50 divided by 10 will give us 5. What else? Yes. 3. What else? Okay. 56. You already told me the answer. 56 divided by 8 is what? Oh, I see Maria counting. Thank you, Maria. You got a multiplication chart in the middle. Oh, I see. Wait till he comes back. What is it?
7.
It is 7. All right. So if we know it's 7, if we break this up, 50 divided by 10 plus something, this is already 5. How can we get to what's our missing number? 5 plus,
Plus 6. 5 plus 2.
Okay, so what's my division sentence?
6 divided by 2.
Very close, very close.
5 divided by 2. 6 divided by 3.
6 divided by 3, but we really couldn't use that. Yeah, but that's okay. So what's 6 divided by 3?
2.
What's 5 plus 2?
7.
All right. Woo! All right.
You want to know the other number?
What is the other number? Mr. C, what's the other number?
The other number was 16 divided by 8 equals 2.
That's right, 16. You could have used 16 divided by 8 because remember, we still got to use the numbers that are in the division problem. All right. Number 1, everybody else has their problem set. Let's get to the problem set. I am going to walk around and I'm going to check. Looking at number 1, have you matched? The first one says, this is the wrong problem set. Go again. Okay, that's all right. It's out of there. I'm going to stop sharing this because. All right, so when I come around, teachers, if you can come around, they should be solving for a number times 6 equals 30. Move it to the correct blank on the leaf. If you've done that, you can start solving for the number 2, which says write an equation with the box of the unknown. Remember, we've been working on the or the unknown. On the back is number 3. Okay, flip it over. Keep going. Don't stop. Teachers, please don't let them raise their hand if they haven't solved one. They have to keep going. All right.
Okay, the review is review.
Mr. C, can you take this? Everybody should be on this page. Everybody should be on this page. Mr. C is going to bring the exemplar around. Everybody should be on this page. All right, as I walk around, I should see friends. If you are on the back page, you should be circling important information on number 3. If you're on number 3. Camila. If you don't do it now, you can do it with me while the party goes on. That's perfectly fine. I have nothing to do during the party. Keep going. Don't raise your hand. Keep going. Number 2. If you're done with this one, go to number 2. If it gives you the total, remember that, thank you, Jerry, if they give you the total, that means you're dividing. Each student gets 3 pencils. The total is 21. If each student gets 3 pencils, that's 3 students. You know the total. Remember, my friend Jerry said you should be dividing. If you need a multiplication chart, they are in the center just in case. No, sure. All right, as I walk around now, I should see everybody has solved. For number 1, they've done all their matches. Number 2, they should have had a multiplication sentence to match the model. It says write an equation. Don't forget, number 2 says write an equation. Solve number 2. And solve. Write an equation and solve. All right.
This is not a paper because I put the numbers in.
Oh, well, maybe it's Jerry's, but it's. That's why it's important. The first thing everybody should be able to do in 3rd grade is write their what? Right? I'm coming to check for number 1 and 2. Make it a multiplication problem for me, please. Please, oh please. If we have the total, didn't see annotation showing me. Camila is on fire. So is Emma. So is Emma. Write an equation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 6 groups of 8. What is that? Give me the multiplication. All right. Looks like most of my friends are done with number 1. Ooh, I love it, Katie. Inverse operation going on number 2. Yes, Kayla, keep going. You don't have to ask me. You don't have to ask any permission. Keep going. Few more minutes and we're gonna get started on our FA. Come on, Caleb. Caleb. Oh, you want to Don't let number one trip you up. It's telling you how many altogether. You gotta do number two before you go to the next one. Good job. I love it. This is awesome. Okay. One, two, three, four, five, six. Oh, you did eight. That's good. I love that. I love that you did unknown. Well, Antonio, sit down. You're doing good. In the world, we got 3 minutes. 3 minutes, and we're gonna move on to our. Make sure you write your statement, please. All right. We're gonna count.
I know it's a risk, and I don't know what's on the other side. I'm gonna make a bet on my phone. I guess I'm kind of looking at this as I feel like we're on the verge.
All right, 1 minute. Come on, Emma, let's go, baby.
I'm on the
All right, this table here, transition and grab your Chromebooks. Remember, we're third graders, right? Do we run? Do we fight? That's right. Grab your Chromebook, log in a class, classrooms, get your, how sad is that, Zion? I'm gonna have to find it. You're gonna need scratch paper. So can you do my favor? All right, everybody, we are going to come to a pause. It is time to log into Google Classroom. Chromebook should be distributed. I think I'm going to come and have to add the X ticket for the other group. All right. Thank you, Emma. She's getting started. Pass that scratch paper to all your kids. All right, Camila's getting ready. Zion's getting ready. You know, he has to try to log in. this table. Put this away. Look at your log into the Google Classroom. Emma's gonna pass out scratch paper. Everybody wants you. Gina, Analea, Maria. I don't think he would say it's this, it's not. Look at you, Rhonda. Please. Let's see, we have already started this table. Let's go over it. Make sure your table's nice and neat so when you're taking your FA that you are able to be focused. Oh, it's already added. Great. Thank you, Miss Perez. Love it. All right. Thank you so much. Gavin. Katie's ready. Put it inside. You might need it. All right. Once you're logged in, I'm going to need everybody's attention so that I can make sure hold on one second, Luna. Have a seat, my love. I know, have a seat. You got something to say, you got to raise your hand. That makes me nervous. Have a seat. All right, friends. When you log in, do not start, because I got to give you a pep talk. Do not start. I give you a pep talk about this WFA. Zion is persisting. Let's see if I can find it. Camila's getting logged in. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Michael. That's a teammate right there. All right. Oh, it's this afternoon. It's gonna be how hard you work on this FA. It's gonna be hard time. So we got to focus right now. It's not in here. You need to go grab yours? Okay, go get it. Okay, I'm gonna let you go to the house after you take this. I'll let you lay down while you take it out. Oh, you look you still haven't found it from the time you Oh, Sebastian's ready. Click on Johnson, please. Let your teacher. What's going on? You don't have your login? Okay, but luckily I have it for you.
You're supposed to Am I supposed to click Miss Murray?
Click Miss Johnson.
Miss Miss Johnson. We have Miss Murray.
Oh, it says Murray? Okay, click Murray. I hope it's there.
Yeah.
Yep, it's there. Good. Yep, the first one.
Do we start?
Nope, don't start yet. Let me know when you're there with a thumbs up.
Is it this one?
The first one.
Click it.
Yep, you can click it. Just don't get started. Brian, I got you logged in. There you go. Except Zion. All right. Thank you, Christina. Oh, do Murray, but somehow they crossed out Johnson.
It doesn't, is it in my classwork or?
Is it the stream? The top one.
It's December 6th?
Uh,
That's the one that.
It's December
Yeah,
6th.
yeah.
Okay, just
I
making
put
sure.
it, that's
Okay,
what
I
it
was
was
just
due.
making sure,
Yeah.
okay.
Oh, Miss.
All right, so 1, 2, 3, our eyes on me. When you take this, who can remind me what should be on your paper? Oh, I love it. Hands flew up right away. I love it. What should be on your paper? What's gonna show me? All right, Jerry, tell us what should be on your paper. Strategies. Help them out. What else, Michael? Send them to shine. What else? What else? What else? What else? What else on your scratch paper? What else? One. What else? What else? You read your word problem. What are you going to put on your paper? Equation. Yes.
Miss Gloria has a PDA out for you. She's looking for you. Your mom.
Oh, got it. Okay. Okay. I'll get you okay. Yes. And at the end, how am I going to know my answer? What, everybody? Thank you, Michael. What else, everybody? All right, get started. Let's go. I want to see every single one work out on their paper. Click on this one. Yes, Mr. Cicada.
What do I click to start? Mr. Cicada. For math is Mr. Cicada. It's not working. Do we start?
Yes, get started.
It's not working. What do we click?
Oh, put it. If you're a visitor, click on Perez. If you're a visitor, click on Perez. I'll put some nice calm music.
It's not letting me. It's not letting me out. It says Windows Pro. Assessment.
You're doing mathematics.
It says Windows Pro. It says Assessment Windows Pro.
You got me?
Okay. All right, let me figure this out. I know this.
It says
Let's see. That's because y'all was supposed to take it a while back. That's why.
You gotta move. You gotta go to another store. You can go right there. You can't go right here. Because you we're not.
There's a table next to
I
Antonio.
told you. I bet you that's trying
If you're already logged in, you can start.
I know.
They can't start because
But I can't.
they've taken the test late. So.
Hold on. I know.
It's the 7th or 14th. It's supposed to be due the 7th.
Yep, you're right.
Remember, y'all were doing.
That was
y'all were
mine.
doing the other day.
All right, go back into Google Classroom. Try again. Go back into Google Classroom. and
Maybe
try,
refresh it? Oh no. It still doesn't work.
You gotta go back into Google Classroom.
I did.
Hold on, y'all. I'll tell you. It's saving. It's syncing. 1 second.
gotta give it some time, give it some time.
It's not. It's not.
Hold on, you gotta give it some time.
Today, I don't know what time it is. I don't know.
Focus on what you need to focus on. Focus on the wrong thing.
I want a toe.
Back to shirt.
Michelle, you want me to put your back?
All right, watch it, Mr. CLB, Brian.
Yeah, mom is here, Miss.
It says saving. When it's all the way done, they should be ready.
Miss Mom, your mom is here.
All right, I don't know why it's going very, very slow.
Let's go. Yeah. Hi, Mister. Hi. Hi. Give me some. No, because I'm in the mood. Time.
Wow.
Go. Give me some, Mister. Where did Antonio go? He's taking a big pop. Today's the first day. You know how it's. And let's put Jaden.
Diane, sit
You know
down.
how I know it's 14? No.
Diane.
Miss Long's coming. How do you know you're not even looking at the blue? Look, that looks good. This how you gonna look. Why are you looking at me? Look, this is how Michael gonna look when he grows up. Hey, this is Jerry. Jerry, this looks like this. Look, Jerry, this is Michael.
That's how you're supposed to do it.
Michael. Look at Jerry, he's a mouse. Look at Michael. Michael's gonna look funnier. Okay, let's stop.
Jerry, that's not what we're supposed to be doing. Exit out.
Look at it. Hey.
Diane, get back here.
You know that there's a camera in here? There's a camera right there. Guys, I know that there's a camera right here, so I know there's a camera right here, so y'all can get told on. Guys, the other teachers are watching us. Stop being
They
bad.
really are.
They're watching us right there.
Is it still loading?
Yeah.
Jeez. Well, somebody's getting, go ahead, Annalise. Annalise is getting started. You don't have to wait on it.
Our computer doesn't really want to do that. Google Photos.
Look this. Oh, I forgot that. My computer looks so good. My computer looks so good. Best camera. My computer looks so cute. Oh, don't be focused.
Why don't you get off the app? Go on the
Very nice. Not me on website, not
Hi. So whoever's don't get pissed, but no, you can't.
The test isn't working.
All right, should be ready, y'all. It's ready. Let's go.
Yeah, I got the one from today.
Okay, good. Go ahead, Mom. Thank you, Caleb. All right, sorry, Miss Rice and Mr. Henry should be ready now.
Still not working. It's not. It's still not working.
Go back into
Mine
Caleb's
working.
in. Go back into Google Classroom.
the platform.
You're good, Caleb. You're good.
It's doing that recording time. This is
All right, Camila's in.
I'm not in. No, I'm still not in. I haven't even logged into my computer. You have to reset. It's still not ready. You have to reset. No, you have to log in. Next question. I know.
All right, so Jerry's in. Sorry.
Wait, that's 6.
All right.
No, not me.
Put the Pokemon card up.
I'm not logging in.
Not the Pokemon card.
I don't have my login. I need my scratch paper.
I should see work for every single problem. Thank you. Michael has started. Gavin has started.
Refresh it again. Oh.
Camila started. Emma started. Come on. Brian started. Jerry. It's all right. You don't do it. Kaden started. I want to be able to see everybody's work. Good job, Caleb. Like the way Caleb set up her scratch paper, Jerry.
Joseph, let's sit down and eat share.
Come here, Zion. Brian, come on back. Let's see, can you make sure everybody's moving along, working? Everybody has to complete this exit. Anybody that's not done, when it's time to go to exits, you'll be standing here until it's complete. So stay focused. I mean, this, formative assessment, stay focused.
This one. This one. This one.
I'm gonna let you
Oh. Do we have to stay? Cause
We gotta find you a problem so you can get a chance. I'm gonna get you. Let me get Zion squared away.
let's just see. Okay, you got it.
Next one, 2. You got to drag and drop. Drag and drop. If you're done, go to the next one. I would hate for you to be just sitting there. You will be just sitting there with me. Let me try to find the pamphlets. Drag and drop. Scroll down. Don't just sit there, Christina. You better raise your hand. You gotta raise your hand because I'm gonna help you figure it out when all our friends are out of here. If you're having problems with the program, raise your hand. You done? Yes, absolutely. No, this. Nobody's leaving until it's done. You can't just sit in front of a computer and not work on it. Let's go. All right. Luna, Antonio, Tala, come with me. All right. Hopefully everybody's good on the live. I'm gonna log off.
Can I look at